How to change App Store icon to Play Store icon on iPhone. So let's see. First open Safari browser. Here search Play Store icon. Then download Play Store image. Save to phone. Go back to home screen. So then open shortcut which is already built in your phone. Then select new. Here select App Store, then open page, and first rename this as Play Store. I'm writing Play Store, new name Play Store, then done this, then share, select share. Here you can see add to home screen, select this, add to home screen, select image, choose photo, select Play Store image which we already download, so just add this. So finally Play Store is ready. You can see Play Store show on iPhone screen. You can open this, select apps as you can see. So thanks for watching.